What's the meaning of believable? Believable. Believable.
Believable. Believable. The word believable refers to something that can be accepted or trusted as true or real. It is often used in reference to statements, stories, or explanations that are credible and plausible. When something is described as believable, it means that it is convincing and has the potential to be accepted as truth by others. A believable story or explanation is one that is supported by evidence or logical reasoning, rather than being purely based on opinion or speculation. The concept of believability is important in many areas of life, including journalism, law, education, and interpersonal relationships. Ultimately, the degree of believability associated with something will depend on a range of factors, including the context in which the statement is made, the credibility of the source, and the nature of the claim being made.